Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off message notification on Snapchat. Open your Snapchat. Go to your profile by clicking the avatar. From here, go to settings. That's the gear icon located on the upper right part of your screen. From here, you'll click notifications. Once you're on this page, you'll be needing to select the message reminders. Once you click that, it will be unselected and also best friend message sounds. To make sure there will be zero notification from Snapchat, you'll go to the settings of your phone. That's the gear icon in there. And then you'll need to find Snapchat. Once you've found it, click on it and then click notifications. And then just unselect the allow notifications. Once you decided you want to turn it on again, then you just need to refollow those steps and select the options we unselected. And that's how you turn on and off Snapchat message notifications. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.